Have you ever considered using a famous everyday products for bed bugs? In today's episode, we're exploring a simple and affordable bed bug solution, hand sanitizer. Let's get started. Does hand sanitizer work for bed bugs? Hand sanitizers typically contain alcohol-based compounds, primarily using ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol as the active ingredient. These compounds exert their effects on bed bugs through two main mechanisms. Firstly, alcohol can induce dehydration by rapidly evaporating moisture from the bodies of bed bugs upon contact, ultimately leading to their desiccation and eventual death. Direct application of alcohol disrupts a bed bug's bodily functions, effectively exterminating them. Secondly, alcohol disrupts the integrity of the bed bug's cell membrane, causing structural and functional damage to their cells. This damage can impair vital cellular processes and ultimately results in the demise of individual bed bugs. How to use hand sanitizer for bed bugs. Step 1. Prepare the spray. Fill a spray bottle with water, then pour an appropriate amount of hand sanitizer into the spray bottle. The amount will depend on the size of the bottle and the concentration you desire. The common ratio is about 1/4 to half a cup of hand sanitizer per quart of water, or 32 ounces. Adjust as needed. Enhance your spray by incorporating a few drops of essential oils such as tea tree, lavender, or eucalyptus oil. Scientific studies, such as the one conducted by Virginia University, support the efficacy of essential oils in repelling insects and bed bugs due to their natural antifungal and antimicrobial properties. These essential oils can provide additional repellent effects against bed bugs, increasing the effectiveness of your DIY spray. Shake well to thoroughly mix the ingredients. Step 2. Use your DIY spray. Apply the solution directly to bed bugs or the areas where you suspect bed bugs may be hiding. You can spray to surfaces where bed bugs are likely to travel, such as furniture, bedding along baseboards, behind picture frames, and inside cracks and crevices in walls and floors. So in conclusion, check out the description for a link to our most affordable and effective bed bug traps on the market. These bed bug traps are affordable, chemical-free, and will effectively prevent bed bugs from biting you. See you soon, bed bug fan.